Hey everyone! Welcome to our YouTube series on cryptocurrency and blockchain. In today's episode, we'll be diving into the basics of blockchain technology and how it works. So, let's get started. Blockchain is the underlying technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. It's a decentralized and distributed ledger that records transactions across multiple computers, making it secure and transparent. Think of the blockchain as a chain of blocks, where each block contains a list of transactions. These blocks are linked together in a chronological order, creating an unbroken chain of information. One of the key features of blockchain is decentralization. Unlike traditional systems that rely on a central authority, blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer network. This means that no single entity has control over the entire network, making it more resistant to tampering and censorship. To ensure the security and integrity of the blockchain, transactions are secured using cryptographic hashing. Each block contains a unique identifier called a hash, which is generated by complex mathematical algorithms. When a new block is added to the blockchain, it goes through a verification process. Miners, who are participants in the network, compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles. Once a puzzle is solved, the block is added to the chain, and the transaction is confirmed. So, to recap, blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent manner. It operates on a peer-to-peer network and uses cryptographic hashing for security. With blockchain technology, we have the potential to transform industries beyond just cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our upcoming videos on cryptocurrency and blockchain. See you next time.